What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Nazareth, and in this video I'm going to show you guys a very quick 2020 curly hair routine. But I washed my hair and I conditioned it with Palmer's coconut oil formula shampoo, and I conditioned it with their conditioner from that line, and I left a little bit of the conditioner in my hair because I really love their conditioner from that line. It's really moisturizing and it's very lightweight enough to leave it as a leave-in. So yeah, so the next product that I'm going to put in my hair is Shea Moisture's Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Multi-Action Leave-In. I love this leave-in. This leave-in is so good. It leaves your hair super moisturized, it smells really good, and it's not heavy at all. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit, nothing too crazy, to my hair, this much. Ooh. It's very moisturizing, you can see. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it. It's like I'm coating my hair with it. I'm not really going deep into my hair with it just because I already applied the conditioner in the shower. That's the best place, I think, that I love applying leave-ins, just because your hair is nice and wet. And I feel like the product absorbs the best in the shower. Okay, so I've already applied my 2 leave-ins. Now the final step that I do is apply my gel. The one that I've been loving recently is Palmer's coconut oil formula flax seed gel. I love this gel. It's not super heavy, it has a nice natural hold, and it actually gives me volume, which I love. If you've been following me for a long time, you guys know I love me some volume. All right, so yeah, let's apply. Applying like this amount, and we are going to scrunch up. So I rub it in my hands. Apply like around this amount, and I'm going to flip my hair and scrunch as well. Going to rake my roots just a little bit. Flip my hair this way. This way as well. And that is it. Now I'm going to actually diffuse my hair. I've been actually really liking diffusing my hair as of late, so I'm going to diffuse my hair, and then I'm going to show you guys my final results. So I'll be right back. guys, this is what the final results without fluffing looks like after diffusing my hair. These are what my curls look like. Nice and shiny. Nice and shiny, nice and moisturized, nice and bouncy. So what I like to do is put a little bit of product in my hair. Doesn't matter what it is. It could be a leave-in, a little bit more gel if you like, or maybe an oil. In this case, I'm going to put a little tiny bit of the conditioner on my hands, just so my hands have something. So this much, rub it on my hands like so. And I am going to flip my hair and fluff my hair. I scrunch up to take any of the cast away from my hair, and I just keep fluffing until I'm satisfied. These were my final results, guys, and as the days go by, my hair gets bigger. This is the day one hair, and I absolutely love it. I absolutely love this routine. I feel like it's super simple and straight to the point. Not too many products are being applied to my hair. And that's it, you guys. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. Always remember to love yourselves, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.